Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Neoteck Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. Neoteck Pocket Digital Multimeter designed for getting the precise reading of the current, voltage, continuity, and more. By using this handy instrument, you may word high 15mm LCD with backlight. Furthermore, even in the very dimly light places, you can read the displayed value more precisely. It makes you sure to get high performance, compact handheld 3.5 digital multimeter auto ranges, and high reliability as well. What's more, it is highly aimed to meet IEC 61010-1 and Cat 2600V overvoltage category and dual insulation. This instrument lets you measure current, voltage, resistance, and others more accurately. Use the PTC protection circuit for resistance, frequency measurement double current fuses. Measures the maximum reading over time, auto-ranging, and continuity buzzer. It has developed for providing safe and accurate troubleshoots for automotive and household electric issues. Nice protective orange shell with stand built. This package comprises 9-volt battery, 1 crosshead. Contains 2x test leads, and 2x banana plug to alligator clip cable. Impressive quality multimeter. Reasonable price. Measures accurately. Performs well designed. Easy to operate. Came with a 9V battery packed in it. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.